Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Code Play. Today I will be show you how to configure the Node.js and how to configure the Angular. So first of all, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like. Okay, let's start. First, what you have to do, just install the Node.js. Search Node.js on Google and you can find the URL nodejs.org, or you can take it from yes. So what you have to do, just download the latest feature or recommended for more tutorial. Both of it will work. Okay. So download from here and install this. After this, what you have to do, you have to just open the cmd command. Okay. Just type here npm install. Make sure your Node.js path is set in environment variable. So if you want to go my PC, right click on my PC and properties. Okay, go to advanced system and settings and environment variable. I don't have access this, so I can't show you, but when you want to set the environment variable, so just go in advanced system setting and open the environment variable. Okay. So what you have to do, open and just install the npm install. I already installed this, so maybe it will install new packages if there is any package added. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to install the npm CLI, npm install and Angular /CLI and install this. Two things you have to do. Okay, when it will install perfectly, then you are able to create a new project for Angular. Now I have installed Angular CLI. So what you have to do, where you want to create an Angular project, just create. I am going to show you how to create. Type cmd, it will open the command. Type ng new hello world. It will ask you routing if you want to yes or no. It will install the package. Then you can modify or add yours what you want to. You can do the stuff. Okay, this is the simple example for how to create Angular project and how to configure first Angular and Node.js. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please support to my channel, and I will give you every time to new updates in Angular, new videos, whatever you have requirement. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.